A first ever Seagull Merlin tutorial in post-October 17th Canadian etiquette. So when you pass Dutchie, it's on the left-hand side. And after that lesson, I think I can safely go into the nuances of the chords, which are only two in this lovely little song from our musical youth. If you recall, I don't know, 80s, somewhere in the 80s. The chords are just basically D and E throughout the entire song, and then we just play different melody on it. So it's D. In the intro, I like to add a little discord to it with the second fret and the second string for the D, back to the E. Then I add the kind of chorus by adding the second fret first string when I play the D. Before I go into the melody of the verse, which is basically, again, D and E is playing throughout, but we're going to start with on the D, open, everything open, third fret, second string, second fret, second string, and then right to the E chord, which is the bar on first fret across the entire Seagull, and then open, the bar, then we do second fret on the second string, go back and forth between the bar and that, so bar, second fret, second string, bar, second fret, second string, and then open. And again, first fret, second fret, the bar, back and forth with second fret, second string. Do that 4 times. Left-hand side, which is second fret on the third and fourth strings. So when you play the D, second fret again. Back to the E chord. This is the only time it gets kind of complicated. We go back and forth between the bar E and open. So 1, 2, 3, And then to the second fret, when we're playing the D chord, open, open, second fret on the third and fourth. Dun, 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 dun. So. E, and then back and forth again. Instead of doing the second fret the second time around, we're doing it open. And again, second fret down to first and open. So it sounds like this from the part that it gets a little more intricate. Okay, so we'll do it from the start of the chorus. Basically it. Always remember, pass on the left-hand side.